In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to make money online with affiliate marketing using 100% free traffic. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in 3 simple steps. But not only that, this income source is also passive, which basically means after you've done the work once, you'll continue to get affiliate commissions for years to come. And I'm going to show you how to do all of this using a simple list that you can create in less than 5 minutes. But before I show you how you can do that, comment your country down below. And that way, I'll know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And if you like to make money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to the channel because I post videos every single week with different money-making methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed, I could post a video tomorrow or next week that could have been a video that could have changed the game for you forever. So now that you've subscribed to the channel and maxed out your chances to make money online, let's get into the video. So if you're looking to start affiliate marketing on how you can get a lot of clicks and traction passively, so you do the work once and you continue to reap the rewards long after, I want you to pay close attention to this one if you're serious and you really want to make money online, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in 3 simple steps. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is come over to this website called blogger.com. And what we're going to do is use this website because it's absolutely free. And we'll basically be using it to create a very simple list just like this, which is a resources guide to be a successful affiliate marketer. And when people are first starting out, this is basically the information and resources that they need to get started. So I provide this information to them and also have my affiliate links all throughout this page. But not only that, I also have different affiliate offers and courses, and I could update this page at any time. And I'm going to show you everything throughout this video so that you will be able to give people a lot of value and make money online at the same time. So the next thing I'm going to do is show you how to create a list just like this. So what you want to do is just go to blogger.com, and then in your dashboard, it's going to look just like this. Just click on this little drop down right here, and you're going to select new blog. And basically, this is going to be your new website. So what you want to do is just name your blog, and to choose a good name for your blog, you just want to make sure it's related to whatever niche or products that you're promoting. So we're also going to see if successful affiliate is available. And as you can see, successful affiliate is not available. So just for the sake of the video, I'm just going to put some numbers in here. Okay, and successful affiliate 1 is available. So we're just going to save that. And as you can see now, our website is created, but we don't have any posts. So the next thing that we want to do is just create some posts for this website. So we're just going to go here and select new post, and that's going to take us here to create the article. So what we want to do here is create something that looks like this. So to keep it simple, just for the sake of the video, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and paste that here for the title. And I'm also going to paste it here for the heading. And then you just want to tap down. And then we're going to go back to our resources page because we want to create something just like this. You guys can copy this if you like, it's really up to you. You can create similar products, and this really works for any type of niche that you're in, whether it's online marketing or weight loss, etc. And since my offers are related to affiliate marketing products, the only thing I did was type out here, click on any of the highlighted links and sign up for any of the tools below. You may be able to use all of the tools we use in your online business. And then I just listed the tools we use, and all of these lead to affiliate marketing products. So if anyone makes a purchase, I get paid. And to find which affiliate marketing tools that you want to use regardless of the niche that you're in, the only thing you have to do is a Google search. So I just went to Google and I said, what tools do you need as an affiliate marketer? And the only thing you have to do now is scroll down this page and start opening up different websites. For example, if I open this up, you can find all of these different tools that people may be able to use as an affiliate marketer. And as you can see, they have CJ Affiliate Marketplace, they have an affiliate ad tracking tool, Google Analytics, etc. So what you want to do is just scroll through these websites and look at the different type of offers that you can promote. And once you do that and you find a product or products you would like to promote, the next thing that you want to do is make sure that they have an affiliate program. So the only thing that you want to do is type up something really simple just like this that you can use to promote your affiliate offers. So I'm just going to take this and copy it and come over here and paste that in. And this, I'm going to center this. I'm going to make that a major heading. And then I'm just going to tap down and enter number 1. And then I'm just going to unbold this. So let's just say if you wanted to offer someone email marketing and you wanted to offer them something like System.io or ConvertKit, you would just write a really brief description on that particular product. And that's really the same thing that I did over here. As you can see here on the email marketing, consider ConvertKit or System.io because you can get generous free plans, pre-made landing pages, and send email broadcasts. And then I just link ConvertKit and System.io to affiliate offers. So basically you would just write something really similar to this. And then you would just come over to ConvertKit and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And as you can see here, they do have an affiliate program. So you would just sign up and do the same for every affiliate program and put your affiliate link into the resources guide. So if I go back to my resources guide, as you can see, all of my affiliate links are highlighted blue and underlined. So if I click on this, as you can see, that's my affiliate link. So what you would do is basically just highlight the word that you wanted to put your affiliate link in, go up here and click on link, and then you would just paste your link in here, open up link in new window, and you would apply. And as you can see, this right here is your display text because we highlighted creation, and that's the way you apply your affiliate link. And as you can see, I got a total of 8 affiliate marketing links here, 9, because I have ConvertKit, System.io, website creation, I have hosting, that's going to be Bluehost, a funnel builder, SEO tool, SEMrush, I have a video creation, that's going to be InVideo, vidIQ for YouTube SEO, and then a link shortener, which is going to be Bitly. So basically anybody that's looking to do any type of affiliate marketing, this right here is a complete list of tools that they may be able to use. And I also went to websites like ClickBank and Digistore24, and I got a couple of affiliate marketing courses because these people are looking to make money online, so they're also looking for educational material. So I got these courses from ClickBank and Digistore24, and I also put in my affiliate links here. And it's really easy to sign up with ClickBank. Just go to clickbank.com. Then you want to click start here, enter your credentials, and then you just want to log into your account. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. And once you log in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. As you can see, we're here at the marketplace. And if you look over here to the left, you have your categories. And as you can see, you have a couple to choose from. But in this case, I'm just going to choose e-business and e-marketing. And if we look here, we have a total of 186 results. But the good thing about this is you can apply this principle to any niche that you're in, whether it's health and fitness, spiritual, etc. The only thing that you really have to do different is provide the tools that they need for that specific niche or industry. Now what you want to do here is find the products that rank from high to low because you want to promote the products that are making sales. And then you just want to click through here and see which products that you want to promote. As you can see, they have live chat jobs, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This is actual product that I'm promoting. If we go back to my resources guide, you can see that here, get paid to use Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Click here and that's going to take them to the product. And it's really easy. So once you find a product that you want to promote, the only thing you would do is come here and click promote and then just click on create hop link and you would just copy it. And now that you got your affiliate link, the only thing you want to do now is go back to your resources guide. And now if I just go ahead and remove this link here, remove it. And if I go ahead and highlight it, insert link, paste my affiliate link there, open link in new window and apply. And as you can see, my affiliate link has been entered there. And that's really the only thing that you need to do to create your resources guide with all of your affiliate links included. And once you actually have this part done, this is something that you could promote for years. You could always come back to this page and update it anytime that you need to. So if I just go ahead and click on preview, and if I go ahead and visit this page, as you can see, anyone can share it. And if you scroll through here, it has all of my affiliate offers. And if anyone clicks on these links and makes a purchase, you're going to make money. Now for step number 2, you just want to go to Google and enter Google Translate and enter. And then you just want to type in how to make money with affiliate marketing. And we're going to translate this from English to French. And you could basically search for the French version, German, Spanish, etc. It really doesn't matter. What we're going to be looking for is blog posts and articles, anything that's written in another language, because it's not going to be written in English and potentially not available in tier 1 countries. So that's why we're looking to translate into other languages. So now what we want to do is just copy this. And then we're just going to go to Google, paste that in and enter. And once you do that, you're going to find all of these articles and posts that's written in French and in other countries about the best way to make money with affiliate marketing. And then for example, we're just going to click this link here and it's actually going to bring us to the article. And as you can see, it's written in French. And now the only thing that you want to do is just go up to the top and click on this little translate icon. And you want to translate this post over into English. And the reason we want to translate this article into English is because we're going to use this article to promote our reference guide. Stick with me, guys, because this method works 100%. You can get a lot of conversions and make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, especially with the traffic source that I'm going to be showing you, so just stick with me. So now what we want to do is just go back to Google and enter Google Docs and enter. And that's going to pull up Google Docs, so just open that up. And then you want to select a new page. And now that we got a new page open, this is actually where we're going to paste that entire article. So now we're going to go back to the article and just left click with your cursor anywhere in the article and hit Control A. And that's going to copy the entire article. Now you can do it that way, or you can copy the article piece by piece. But I'm just going to copy the entire article, then go back to my Google Doc and press Control V. So now as you can see, it just populated the entire article inside the Google Doc. So if you wanted to, you could do it piece by piece, but otherwise you just have to clean it up. Okay, and another thing that you want to do is remove any of the links that's inside the article. So just click on it and then select Remove Link. So I'm just going to clean this up. And when you're done, you want your article to look something like this. All of the links that you see in here are actually my links. So if I scroll back up to the top, after like about the first paragraph, you see this link here, important note. Before you read on, here's a list of resources you will need to be a successful affiliate marketer and what I use daily. So if I just go here and click onto this link and go here and open it up, you'll see that it's going to lead right to the resources guide. So if anyone clicks on any of these links and purchases anything, we're going to make money with affiliate marketing. So now that we created this very simple Google Doc with our links in it, we need to be able to promote it. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the links. And another thing that's really important here, I just scrolled down to the bottom of the article. You'll see that I have the article reference. And this right here is a link that's going to link back to the original article. So if I just go back to the original article, I want to go up here and hit Google Translate. And I translate it back to French. And I go ahead and copy that link. And I go back to my Google Doc. And that's what I paste in is the original article. So that when people actually click through to the original article, they'll see that it's written in French, and then they'll come back to my article to read it in English. And I'm not doing anything wrong here because the original article was written in French. I just had it translated into English. So if I actually click on this link here, you will see that the original article is actually in French. So they're just going to come back here to read it in English. So for step 3, we need to get free traffic to our resources guide. And to do that, we're going to use a website called Quora. So just go into your search bar and enter how to make money with affiliate marketing. And then what you want to do is just open up all of the questions that you find relevant that you can answer. So for example, is affiliate marketing profitable, or how can I start affiliate marketing for free? So if we go ahead and open this up, we want to go ahead and answer this question. So I'm going to just click answer. And now that we got our answer box open, we're just going to come back to our Google Doc, highlight it and copy it. Then we're going to come back to Quora and paste it in. And as you see, we have a complete article and it really looks nice and professional. So now it's a couple of things that you can do here. As you can see, everything is bolded. So if I just highlight the entire article and then select this, select bold, it's going to unbold it. And it looks a lot better. And then there's a couple of things that you can do just to make sure that it really looks professional and really looks good. For example, you could come back here and bold and back up your subtitles just to make it look good. I'm gonna bold this one. Okay, and now that's done. This way it looks a lot better and we only highlighted the things that we want to stand out. So now what I'm gonna do is just scroll all the way back up to the top. And what we need to do now is to put our links back in. As you can see, important note, before you read on, here's a list of resources that you would need to be a successful affiliate marketer and what I use daily. So we just want to put our link back in here. To do that, we're going to go back to our resources guide, copy that link. You could do it from here, or you could just go back to Blogger, go to your blog. And as you can see, you have your post here. You can simply click share and copy the link. And then we simply want to come back to Quora and highlight this. And we're going to click insert link. We're going to paste that link in here and add. And now I'm just going to do that throughout the article. So we got it here, insert link and add. And the final one here. And then another thing that you can also do to make sure that this stands out more is bold it. That way it stands out more. And then the last thing that you want to do is click post. And now we posted our article that answers the question, how can I start affiliate marketing for free? And if we look through here, you can see that our link is here. And if I click on this, that's going to go to our resources guide, and our resources guide has all of our affiliate offers so that when people click on these offers, we make money. And you don't want to answer just one question. You want to go through here and answer as many questions as possible. This is going to increase the chances of answering a question that's going to potentially go viral and rank on the front page of Google. And that's going to send more traffic to your resources guide with all of your affiliate offers, giving you the opportunity to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. But not only that, it can become a passive income stream, because once you create the resources guide and answer these questions, you do the work once and you can literally make money for this for years to come. The only thing you have to do is go back and update your resources guide and you're all set. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.